Sessions our bikes, dude. Whoa! Dude, it's a vibe out here. As you can tell, we've been working on the big tree jump, notorious big old tree jump. It's coming back, boys. This jump's been sitting good. Got a first session on it today. Sick day, huh, dude?
Great day, dude.
It was tight.
Had a good talk.
You know what I'm saying? Good to see you back out here. We need more sessions. Go ripping around. The season's upon us, dude. Can you see the other version of yourself? Been a little bit, huh? My other bike is in need of some service, so taking it over to factory edge to get the valves replaced, top end. Rip this guy. My 2014 KX 450 with a fresh knob. Let's get it. Made it to the spot today. It's a lot of prep. It's pretty much the last freaking 3 months of me just showing up here, just fixing what the rain did. Working on the jump this morning. And look who's back, buddy boy. Brock!
Let's go!
You're juiced, huh?
It's good to see you, dude.
I'm out here, dude.
The vlog's been waiting, dude, for your face, dude. Get back over here.
I'm back on the vlog, dude. We're back. Wrists are back. We're feeling spicy.
You know what I'm saying?
Feeling spicy. Looking,
lot of bugs.
Looking a little homeless right now.
Brock's checking out the jump. Getting that feel for it. How you feeling?
Sick. Sick!
Feels smooth, huh?
Yeah. It's gonna be nice jumping in new boots.
Oh, new boots? Yeah, no
It's
duct
gonna be
tape?
really nice.
No colored duct
Yeah,
tape?
no duct tape.
God, the plate's literally sticking out.
No fucking sole, fucking missing everything.
Proper.
Proper.
Like that booter. Let's see what we're doing now. Nice, bro. Look at that.
Is that Ryan?
Oh, Joseph's here, dude. Nice. What do you think?
Money!
Nice. Oh yeah.
Got my phone in my pants.
Got really dialed, dude. Look at that. Proper. I think we rip it, dude. What do you think? Rip it? Should we
Try to get the middle.
rip
Jump
it?
up on this side.
doing crazy things right now.
I'm good. I'm saving it for a later day, man. It looks sketchy, bro.
Ooh-wee. We're gonna go camp. Got some grip tape on there. Who knows what that's for? Who knows? Bringing the grill out. I got the water. We're decked up, dude. On the spot, dude. Damn fucking shooters. Got a whole squad this weekend. Little pop-up. Got Brock's steed. See some boys out here in the mist, so let's go see what's going down. Feel like I'm at Red Dead Redemption fucking side quest right now. Last time we did it and got a few feet out there. But I see what your tech is. It'd be funny to say that Johnny kind of looks like the character from fucking Red Dead Redemption.
This place will be good for us.
We got Brock doing work. He's not camping, but he's gonna be back here for the morning sesh. Out here just getting it. Out here, dude.
Living the dream.
Dude, the views out here are insane.
Pretty gnarly. Got the flex light flexed up.
What you got, Toby? You got a ball? You got a toy? You got a toy? Let me see that thing. Let me see that thing, dude. Fresh waking up from the camp night. And we're prepping. You know what I mean? These are the vibes. First camp of the season. Look at all you hooligans, dude. Out here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
This is probably the biggest ride day I've seen in a long time, huh?
Biggest ride in a long time. We like. Saw some dirt bikes, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, dude.
Alright,
Got Johnny back out.
hey, you back up, dude, so I can get where your truck's at.
Back up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Run it up, Kel. Everything flawless. I ain't gotta brag, let my money do the talking. No employees, nigga, I was raised around the bosses. Niggas wanna funk, but they can't afford a coffin. Poppin', niggas steady watching. Louis on my feet, coming sockets in my pockets. Thought it was a room, now niggas my closet. Broke the money counter, I got rich nigga problems. Shit out by the biz, nigga, shit out by the Audi. Chillin' on the jet, now it's cloudy. Hit another state for a day, then I'm outie. I remember I was only popping in the county. Now nigga always lose count when I'm counting. How the fuck you still ain't touched 10, niggas childish. Working OT every week, 100 hours. Say I'm acting funny, wait till I drop the album. I'm a player, got hella flavor. Phones in a bucket, everybody sign a waiver. Nigga signed, only got a chain, nigga slaving. Signed to myself every week, that's a payment. Made it, nerd niggas hating. Money stacking up, I ain't even gotta save it. Niggas fake, I can't even trust them when they bang it. Got a lot of change, but I'm still not changing. Don't call me to link up, I ain't hanging. 4 deep, no strap, niggas playing. If rap don't work, then it's back to the basics. Nigga to my swag, I ain't mad, I embrace it. Don't believe the gram is a whole lot of faking. A bag or the clout, what the fuck you niggas chasing? I be trying to give motivation. Shit ain't gon' happen overnight, have patience. Buzzin', nigga, I be dumbin'. Niggas hella cheap, they be ballin' on a budget. 50 pop on me right now, that ain't nothing. Before I let a bitch play a nigga, I'ma dug it. Ain't finna talk about it, niggas know how I'm coming. Got the cheat codes, I just gotta push a button. From a place with a lot of hate, but I love it. They like, there you go, when they see me.